How to update Android version system update guide. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can update your phone to new version. So for that we will simply go to settings. Now I will click on settings. Once I click on settings, here you guys will see search bar option, Wi-Fi, mobile network, Bluetooth and other things. So for updating to newer version, I will simply click on search bar option. Once I click here you guys will simply search for update. So I'll simply search for update. Once I search for update, here you guys can see system and updates. So simply click on system and updates. Once we click here you guys will see app security, device unlock and other things. Also on downside you guys will see system and updates. So simply click on that again. Once we click here you guys can see check for system updates. So simply click on check for updates. Once we click here you will start checking for updates. So we will simply wait for some seconds, like it will take 5 to 10 seconds. Now here you guys can see new version was available, download and install. So if your device has updated version available, you guys will see download and install. So you will simply click on download and install, and once you click, your update will be start downloading. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.